Dr. Blumenthal back here in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and I am so excited. We have special guest today, Megan. Megan,
yes.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
You look fantastic. Megan was here a year ago, had her transplant done. We'll show you the before pictures, but what a remarkable transformation.
Yes, it is.
Thank you we did a video on you before. You're doing sort of the after video.
Yes.
This is your coming out party here.
Yes.
Tell us about the experience, how much you like it. Tell us the whole thing.
I love it. I just love it. I can pull my hair back. I can go to the pool and don't have to worry about, like, when I come back, all bald spots showing. It's just so perfect for my natural hair. I just love it. It looks natural. Like, people, like, don't even notice, but my family and close friends, they definitely notice the difference.
Yeah. Call you out on your edges now.
Yes, my brothers. They call me out on my edges now. The whole process, the whole year was great. Miss Casey, Nurse Casey.
Yes. Not nurse, but Casey, yep.
She,
Angel Casey is
Angel.
She's an angel.
Yes.
Yeah.
She always,
Casey.
like, checks in, make sure you're good. She makes sure if I had any question, I'd be like, is this normal? And she'll be like, let me check.
Yep.
And she is great. So I really love that.
Awesome.
I had swelling at the beginning and, like, I actually, like, made my hair in bangs, like, pulled all this to the front until it started healing. Yeah. But after that, there was no problems. I had no problems, no anything.
And this has freed you up to sort of wear your hair, like you said, ponytail, wear it back. Just
but not tight. I won't do anything tight. It'll be loose like this.
I know where you live.
Like, nothing tight. Yeah.
In the back, I tried to find the scar myself. There was only one little part about that big, that long that I could find. I couldn't find 90% of it. So you're a good healer. It hides it well. Looks awesome. Thank you so much. What I'm going to have you do is just sort of look straight at the camera. I'm going to pull your hair back just a little bit so we can see everything. And then I'm going to have you look down just a touch. And then we're going to overlay the before pictures on top. And then look back straight. And then pick a side, either left or right. And then...
like, show my edges?
Yeah. Show it off. And then other side. And there was virtually nothing there before. And like I said, we'll show it there. But awesome. Looks great. Such a natural look on you. Again, nice. It sort of blends in. I love it. It looks fantastic.
Thank you.
As I said, the smile says it all. It warms my heart. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing this. Any words of advice for anybody out there that's kind of on the fence or thinking about it?
Yes.
You've now experienced the whole way through.
Yes.
Yeah.
I would come to Bethesda even if I didn't live in the DMV area because I know he knows our hair. And I say our hair as African American, that's all I can speak for. But, like, if you are on the fence, there is ways for you to afford it, get it done. Like, you will feel so much better. Like, I am so happy I did it. It's the best investment I've ever made.
Oh, that's awesome. So happy that you're happy. I'm happy to be part of your journey. Thank you so much for sharing this with everybody. Thanks for doing this. All right.